While CES may get most of the attention in the tech industry every year, Computex is where the biggest tech players make major mid-year announcements. Hello, and welcome to GadInsider, your hub for the latest tech news. Tech giants are descending on Taipei for the massive Computex 2026 expo, and the pre-show drama is already explosive. With a huge focus on AI together, tech companies are battling a massive crisis of sky-high RAM prices. To fight back and take on Apple's mega-popular MacBook Neo, budget PCs and wild gaming handhelds are stealing the spotlight. Acer just dropped a massive bombshell with the Aspire Go 15. This 15.6-inch laptop is targeting a mind-blowing $300 price point. How? It ditches traditional chips for Qualcomm's brand new Snapdragon C platform, promising crazy long battery life and smooth daily browsing on a strict budget. But Acer isn't stopping there. They just revealed two gorgeous weapons aimed directly at Apple. The new Swift Air 14 comes in stunning colors like sage green and lilac purple, packing Intel Core Series 3 chips and 19 hours of battery life for $699. Beside it is the Swift Spin 14 AI, a flip-screen beast powered by a monster Intel Core Ultra 9 processor or Qualcomm's Elite chips, boasting a ridiculous 26-hour battery life. Both hit shelves this August. Apart from laptops, the handheld gaming war was heating up too. Intel has officially invaded the portable gaming space with its new Arc G-series chips, ready to crush rivals. Acer is striking first with the Predator Atlas 8, an absolute unit of a handheld featuring an 8-inch, ultra-smooth 120Hz screen and heavy-duty ray tracing graphics. Not to be outdone, MSI just unmasked the Claw 8 AI Plus, upgrading its internals to the bleeding-edge Intel Arc G3 Extreme chip and a massive 32 gigabytes of RAM. Expect this premium beast to cross a whopping $1,000 price tag. These were just starters, and the official show hasn't even begun yet. For more updates, subscribe to GadInsider, like and share the video, and don't forget to press the bell icon so you never miss any update.